The next topic is blocks. In the Tools menu and Blocks, select Make. To make a block by drawing entities. Now draw your desired entity to complete the block creation. For example, draw this object. Okay, that's very good. Now you are a block entity. And you can move it, or copy, or pattern and etc. For example, copy the block several times. Now if you changes the block drawing, the other blocks are changed. Right-click on the block and select Edit Block. Now change your entities and complete this. As you see, other blocks are changed. This command can be very useful and important.